Okay, we have an upgraded snack bar. Today is Saturday, the first Saturday in March. Yeah, Angel. We're ready to reveal it. Popcorn, right? Tell them how I upgraded your snack bar. Yeah. Okay. So here it is, guys. You ready? Here's the reveal. Popcorn. Angel. Here it goes. Birdie snack bar. Look at that. I just did it right now. Isn't that cute? Everything was bought on Amazon. Not that expensive either. That 3-tier thing I bought on Amazon. It's for them when they explore their cage and they get bored. So supposedly they're supposed to move the top and get the seed out. So that just helps their curiosity. And I made them a big fat strawberry with millet. And that's just their little snack toy up there. But I just bought this on Amazon too. They like to stay on top of their cage, so I thought it was nice to have that right there. They have the regular water and seed on the bottom, but I just placed this here. It's because it's so cute, right? Look at that. So cute. Angel, you gave me an 8 score last time. What do I get this time? What do I get this time? A 10? Angel gave me a 10 score. Popcorn? Popcorn. What do you give me for the upgrade of the snack bar? She's like, I'm cleaning my feathers. You know what I gave you. Popcorn. Popcorn. What do you give me? Alright, she gave me a 10. Thank you very much, Popcorn. Angel, thank you for the 10 score. Okay, everybody's outside today. I hear all the noises. Okay, so there's a birdie snack bar that I made today. I upgraded it. It was different last time I showed it, but yeah, bought everything on Amazon. Not expensive at all. And I just created that little sign. And those are stickers. Those are like $2. It came with 50 stickers of all different parakeets and birds, so that was nice. So, yep. Thank you guys for watching my videos, and if you want to make this, it's very simple. You just have to be creative. And yeah. Angel, any last words? Happy Saturday to everybody. She loves that swing. She took over it. Popcorn tried to get on top of it and swing on it, and she did not let him. That's hers. And Popcorn's swing is the one right next to her, that what she's on right now. And Popcorn will let Angel on that swing. So there you go. They already claimed their swings. Popcorn, you have food over here. Look at her. Oh no. I probably have to buy him a new one. Because look at how they put that up. Yeah, I have to buy a new one. That was like their first thing that I added that I bought on Amazon. And they're just chewing on it. I don't know. Maybe I should buy them some kind of chew toy. I don't know. But I'm afraid they're going to swallow it and eat it. So I'll think about it. We'll see. Okay. Say bye, Angel. Alright, guys. Happy Saturday. Enjoy your day. Bye.